So welcome guys to this new video. In this video, I will show you that how you can use plugin to make your blog more beautiful.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
So to add a plugin, you have to go to your WordPress dashboard and you can click on plugins button. On the plugins button, you have to click on add new. On the add new button, you can just search for blog. On the blog page, you can add a blog designer or blog filter, but we will add a blog designer because we are designing our blog. It is the most popular blog designer for WordPress. So after clicking on install now button, you have to click on activate. Now here you will see a page like this. Now click on and click here and edit your mail as just you like, and click on opt in and continue, or you can just skip this. Now here we'll customize our blog. So to customize our blog, we will click on getting started and click on blog designer settings. Here you can select the themes of your blog. We will click on select other template, and from here you can select the theme you like. There are premium themes and free themes. We will click on free button, and here you can apply a free theme. For example, you can just use the news template, or you can use timeline template, and click on set blog template and click on save changes. Here our changes have been saved. Now we will check our blog by going to our blog page. Now here when we click on the post, we can see it is some way revised. To make it more customizable, we can select the page of our blog. Select page for blog and click on blog button. And we can select the number of posts to display on this blog page. You can maximize it or minimize it as you like. And there you can add more customizations like post categories, post tags, post others. And you have to click on save changes. Now just reload this page and go to blog button. You can see our blog is still a bit like old. To change this settings, click on post content settings and click on the full text or summary. We are creating summary and limiting the summary to about 5 words. And you can see these words will be limited to 5 on the summary page. As you can see, there are only 5 words. So we have successfully changed our blog. You can also preview your blog in the real time by upgrading to the premium version, but there's no need for premium version. You can also enable social share buttons. You can visit the blog page and it's customized. If you want to display your blog on another page, we can just use this shortcode. To use this shortcode, just copy this shortcode from here and we can click on posts and add a new post. Or we can customize the old post we have created by clicking on edit button. And you can copy this and paste this from here and you can just click on update button. Oh, we are not able to set it here because as the WordPress has been changed, we cannot add shortcodes here. So to add a shortcode, we have to click on plus sign and we will click on widgets and add a shortcode. Here in the shortcode, we will click on shortcode and here's our shortcode has been successfully placed. You can click on update button and now our shortcode has been successfully placed. So here our blog has been successfully placed and a shortcode is running successfully. You can also remove this shortcode as it will decrease the size and speed of your page. So I am removing it and clicking on update button because it decreases the speed of our page. As you can see, it does not work as expected because of the speed of this shortcode. So in this video we have customized our blog for the professional purposes and in the next video we will create and add more plugins into our WordPress. Thanks for watching this video.